Hey guys, welcome back. Today we will see how to turn on Bluetooth on Windows 11. Bluetooth is a common connection protocol and you can use it to pair different devices. Maybe you want to ease your work by adding a device and need Bluetooth. We'll also see how to connect a Bluetooth device to our laptop. The quickest way to turn on Bluetooth on Windows 11 is by left-clicking on the quick settings icon at the bottom right, and then just left-clicking on the little Bluetooth icon, and this will turn it on. We also see its status change over here in the settings, and if you want to see the devices in your area that have an open Bluetooth connection, left-click on Manage Bluetooth Devices, and you will see them over here. Galaxy J5 is a device that we own, and it also has Bluetooth turned on it. I'm gonna left click to see how we can connect. It's showing a pin over here and it's showing the same pin on our device, so I'm gonna left click on connect. This is just for security because you don't want to connect to another device or let someone else connect to your own. And we see that the Galaxy J5 is now paired to our computer. If you want to access this page to see all the Bluetooth options, just right click on the start button and then left click on settings, and now just left click on Bluetooth and devices over here in the left, and it will bring you to the exact same page. There's also an article on support.microsoft.com. I'm gonna show you how to get there. Just search for pair a Bluetooth device in Windows and press enter. And there's this article with the same title on support.microsoft.com. If you left click on the link, it will open, and over here you can see how to turn on Bluetooth, but you also have some articles that show you how to fix Bluetooth problems in Windows. So if you left click here, for example, it will give you some troubleshooting information. The most important one is just to make sure that you do have Bluetooth on your device, because not all computers have it. Okay guys, that's it. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you find this tutorial helpful. Subscribe for future tips.